What is Aramaic Hebrew? In the beginning, the original Old Testament Hebrew were pictures. Adam had to name the animals. So the ox head was numbered the first letter for Aleph, not an A. Biblical Hebrew is read and written right to left still today. Aramaic Hebrew is the same capital consonants remaining the same, only the vowels were changed for the dialect. See blueletterbible.org. Aramaic Hebrew in the Old Testament was an Arabic Persian used only during 600 BC to 440 BC in the Babylonian Captivity during the Achaemenid Empire. Aramaic Hebrew is only used in the books of Daniel and Ezra between 600 and 440 BC. The Babylonian Iranian Persian dialect. It's just a dialect change. The consonants were not changed. Aramaic Hebrew, see the word for bar, like bar mitzvah, H1247 in the Strong's Concordance. This comes from the Book of Daniel, and it was used for the Aramaic Hebrew pronunciation. See blueletterbible.org. Biblical Hebrew is not Aramaic. Compare H1247, H1249, H1121, and H1248. These are not Aramaic pronunciations. Jesus and Paul were both Jewish rabbis and spoke only the regular biblical Hebrew that's spoken today during 34 AD to 105 AD. See the Book of Acts, chapter 21, 22, 26, and John 5, 1 through 2. Aramaic Hebrew, see the shorts in hashtag Learn Hebrew Minister Gail. Thank you for joining the class today. Please subscribe and click the alert bell. If you go to Google search and type in Minister Gail Teacher, you will see all the classes that I have available on YouTube.